In this video, I'm sharing my experience staying at the beautiful Cape Nelson Lighthouse. The check-in for the lighthouse is at a pub, not your usual hotel reception. From town, the road follows the coastline, pulling me further along the edge of the land. And then it comes into view, Cape Nelson Lighthouse, standing alone above the cliffs. I have just arrived at the Cape Nelson Lighthouse. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I can't wait to see the accommodation. The lighthouse has been guiding ships through these waters for more than 100 years. Down below, the Southern Ocean crashes against the cliffs, powerful and ever moving. As evening arrived, the weather shifted. Light rain rolled in, and the sky began turning shades of pink. The same view looked completely different under the changing sky. Wow. This is the most beautiful I've ever seen of this place. It's very red. Even I look red in the video. Then it was time for the spa. Warm water, cool air, and uninterrupted ocean views. A moment that felt perfectly placed at the end of the day. For dinner, I cooked pasta. Simple, comforting, and exactly what I needed.
Hello?
The next morning started back in the spa. With daylight, the coastline revealed new details and colors. I took a few photos trying to capture the feeling of being out here. And this is how it looked through my lens.